Do you want to make embedded messages like ROONIE, or do you want to make it cooler? So today I will be showing you how you can make cool embedded messages like this so you can step up your server creation. So for starters, you have to add the DiscoHook utils bot into your server. You can find the link in the comments. After you add DiscoHook utils bot, use this command /webhook create and then put any name that you want to show after sending the message. Keep in mind that you have to use this command on the channel where you will send the message. Next, if you want to change the webhook icon, you have to go to the channel settings, integration, and then by pressing this, you will be able to change the icon and also copy the webhook link. So after all of that, go to discohook.org website and paste the link of the integration you copied. So now you can see your webhook on the preview section of the website. Looking back on the ROONIE's webhook, we can see that he has an image on top of the message. So to add an image on our webhook, we have to press on the files and put any images here. Now you will be able to see the image on the preview section of the website. By the way, I am using a 920 by 760 pixel image for this shape. After that, ROONIE has a small name over his embed. You can also do it pretty easily by expanding the author section and putting the name on this section. You can also use your icon and link to your account to add an extra bit of depth. Now we will write a normal description. I will paste my about me in this part. Another thing that you can also see a gray line on the side of ROONIE's message. So how do you do that? So to do that, we will use a greater than symbol followed by a space. As you can see, there is also a gray line appearing beside my message. So going back, we can also see some social links after the first message. If you want to do this, you will have to send the first message before you send the second one. After you have sent that, we can now start working on the second part of the message. The second part is pretty basic, but I will add some features to it. I will not use the title thing, but rather I will use the new text size thingy, which you can use by putting a hashtag followed by space. It has 3 types of sizes, but I will use the largest one. After filling the description, I will also send this message. Going back to Discord, here comes the crucial part. But before that, if you haven't subscribed, then what are you doing? Subscribe and let's have a goal of 50 subs before this month ends. Anyways, as I was saying, right click the message and go to the app section. Now choose the add button option and it will show a message. As I want to add a link, I will choose the link type and press it. It will now prompt us with a menu. The first one is label. Anything you will write in this will be shown on the button. So for this example, I will write YouTube. Second one is emoji. Here I will use the YouTube emoji. You can see all the emoji names here of your server, and you can also use emoji ID here. After that, click submit and you have successfully made a ROONIE-like embedded message for your server. By the way, if you don't want to replicate this design and want to make your own style, then definitely watch this video, cause I have explained everything about embed making that you need to know. Till then, bye.